What's up, everyone? So today I will be filming a thrift flip video featuring Zendaya when she wore the gray embellished Alexander McQueen blazer on her Spider Man movie premiere. Now the pricing on this embellished blazer is $18,350, but we're gonna get away with recreating something similar for around $32. I will put a link in the description box for certain items that I use in particular. So let's get into it. Okay, here I am using my wood burner to cut out the appliques. It just makes it so much easier than cutting with scissors. And I'll leave a link in the description from where I got this wood burner. And remember, you can use any applique that you want to. You do not have to use the same one that I'm using. I don't even know where I got this fabric from. It's just leftover fabric from a prom dress that I made. You can use any type of fabric glue that you want to. This is just what I had on hand. And I suggest, if you're going to use skinny, thin strips like this, to use something with a very thin tip, because this was pretty difficult to use because the tip wasn't that thin. Here I'm adding beads and some rhinestone cord just to give a little bit more depth and dimension. I also glued down some flat back rhinestones, and I did this just to hide some of the flaws from the glue that you can see on here. So if you want to hide anything, have some extra beads and some extra flat backs on hand. With some of the leftover applique fabric, I decided to make some earrings. So here I am. I found two similar pieces. Actually, they were the exact same piece. So if you have fabric like mine, you're going to have to go over the whole entire fabric and kind of find the pieces that match each other or repeated patterns. And I thought these would be cute earrings. And here, just to add some thickness and some texture to the back of the earring, I had some leftover rhinestone sticky sheets, and I thought it was like the perfect and easiest thing to put on the back of these earrings. So check out how I did that. Here I'm just adding more of that rhinestone cord. I'm going to first use my glue gun just to seal it on there, and then I'm going to go back over it on the sides with a clear E6000. Here I'm just taking some old earrings that I had and I never wore, and I'm taking the hooks off and I'm going to add them on to these earrings. And just so you know, I didn't go buy anything for this tutorial. Everything that I'm using is stuff that I had already purchased or just had around the house. This tutorial was super easy. I mean, the only thing that I had to sew was those beads down, but you don't even have to sew anything. You can just glue everything. And here is the final look. Turning the flash on when we filmed this was a game changer. I mean, look at how everything is sparkling. It's like blinding me. It's crazy. It's beautiful. I love how it came out. And if you make this, please let me know. Send me pictures because I would love to see you guys' creation. Go ahead and like and subscribe. Follow me on IG at Sam Gooden. And if you have any special requests on things you'd like to see me create, let me know down in the comments. Thank you so much for watching. Peace.